That's a goose, believe it or not, making that noise. It's the hiccups. I paused it right when it did it again. It's this goose right here. It's like happy feed. It's like, what was that sound? Folks, that is not a normal goose sound. And I think it's hiccups. I was like, what? I never heard that kind of bird before. This guy's out here squawking. It's just not normal. It's a strange sound. It's hiccups. A goose with hiccups. Now that is a first. I guess that's what they sound like when they have the hiccups.